During this global pandemic, so many things have changed for all of us. Just to name one, the use of our auto is almost obsolete. Take it from me, I have been employed with one of the largest insurance companies for the last 9 years. Now, labeled as an essential employee, I would like to help you get the most out of your auto insurance by going over coverages, giving you the terms to help you review your own policies, and of course, discounts. Coverages. Coverages are divided in two sections. One being the state minimum or liability. That coverage consists of three major things. One would be body injury, uninsured motorists, and medical payments. These are coverages that the state require that you have just to be on the road. The second half to your auto policy would be comprehensive and collision. These are the coverages that protect your vehicle in the event of an accident. These are personal preferences. The state does not have any concern whether you fix your vehicle after an accident or whether you get a new one. So that's all personal preference. If you do have a loan on your car or you're leasing your car, the lien holder or the bank would require that you have these coverages because they want to be reimbursed in the event that the vehicle is totaled, or they want to make sure that your car is fixed and you're back on the road as soon as possible. These coverages are what insurance considers you to be fully covered. So I hate to break it to you. Unfortunately, there's no such thing as full coverage because everyone's interpretation is different. Now that I've just went over coverages, let me give you some terms to help you view and review your own policies. Because there is no such thing as full coverage, I want to make sure that you're looking at a couple of things. One, rental. This is a coverage that you would need in the event that you have an accident and you're needing a rental car while your car is being repaired or you're needing to shop for a new one. Two, roadside assistance. That is emergency service in the event that you lock your keys out of the vehicle, you have a flat tire, you need some gas. That's another coverage that is offered. Custom parts. This is when you've added any enhancements to your car. So you've done custom paint, you have wheels, you have a new stereo system. You want to make sure that your insurance company is insuring those because that is not covered and fully covered. And the last one is loan lease payoff, which is very similar to gap insurance. In the event that you have $10,000 loan, you had an accident, your car is only worth $8,000. You would be out of pocket $2,000. Your lien holder, the bank that you make payments to, will still require you to make those payments, even if your car is dismantled in a bunch of pieces, even if you've gone to the hospital, you're still required to make those payments. So you want to make sure that you get that coverage so you're not upside down on your loan. Now, let's move on to how I can save you money with your auto insurance. California doesn't offer very many discounts, but there are some areas that can help you get you savings on your policy. One, education. There is a middle ground actually between high school and college graduate. So if you have some college credits, military, vocational certificates, you'll want to let your insurance company know that you do have that because that's one step above high school that can get you some savings. Another thing is occupation. Sometimes people get a little stuffy with occupation, feeling that they don't want to share too much information, which can kind of get you out of some savings. So if you're just like, oh, I'm in customer service, oh, I'm in education, we would put the bare minimum, which would be an assistant. So if you are a customer service supervisor in insurance, you want to let them know that. Or if you're a college professor, you want to let them know that because that can be another level up. Also, California rates on mileage. As of right now, a lot of us are working from home, so you can definitely update that. And even after COVID, just making sure that your mileage is correct. And then two is, is your COVID-19 is also giving every insured 15 to 25% off on April and May payment. So check those out. So as a reminder, full coverage is not a real term. So going over your coverages, giving you some tools to review your auto policies and discounts will help you during this crisis.